In our journey to become a layer 1 blockchain, Klever must ensure the security of the Klever blockchain network. As a proof-of-stake blockchain, the network becomes safer and more reliable for all users by securing a large amount of KLV in staking contracts, and after mainnet launch, in delegation of KLV to validators. Meanwhile, it's important to note that the unstaking of KLV from the previous staking contracts is an essential part of the migration process to the Klever blockchain mainnet. The migration to Klever mainnet will include a 100% APR for staked KLV in a new staking contract, which will run for 3 months from April 25th until July 26th, and reward users for the period they have staked KLV. This new contract freezes the staked KLV until July 26th, and then allows the user to withdraw both the total staked KLV and the rewards received to a newly generated Klever blockchain mainnet address, which will be available in the Klever wallet. The unstaking period of KLV from the old staking contract will be 1 hour up until April 24th. After April 24th, the old KLV staking contracts will be paused, removing the possibility to withdraw and stake, and no more rewards will be paid out on the old contracts. So please make sure to unstake and withdraw your KLV before April 24th. If you were unable to unstake your KLV before April 24th, you will need to submit a support ticket, and the Klever Foundation will reimburse you after 30 days. Thank you for being part of our journey to build out the public service infrastructure for financial tools available to everyone around the globe. It truly means the world to us to have your support. Here's to a Klever future where blockchain building becomes simpler, cheaper, and faster for all projects. Yo, yo, yo! Welcome everyone around the world to yet another episode of Klever Live, where we take you deeper into the world of Bitcoin, crypto, blockchain, and of course, the Klever ecosystem. Today's guest is none other than Felipe Rieger, the head of KleverNFT and Klever Exchange. And we have a flurry of topics to talk about today, including new blockchains being integrated into the Klever NFT platform, new NFT collections on Klever, how we aim to create a marketplace for marketplaces on Klever NFT, and new features coming to the NFT platform. We have 4 new listings going live. You'll find out very soon when. On Klever Exchange, we have competitions, we have new fee structures, which are very attractive for makers specifically, and exciting new features coming to the Klever Exchange that Rieger will outline. We're also going to talk about liquidity pools for the Klever Exchange, Klever Swap, and of course, Klever Chain. Hope you have unstaked your KLV, because April 24th is coming, and on April 25th, the new contract will open for all KLV holders. And of course, we're going to go over community questions that anyone sent in before. And if you have any questions during the live with Rieger today, post them, whether you are on Twitter, YouTube, or anywhere else, and our backstage team will pick them up. Without further ado, welcome, Felipe Rieger. How are you, brother?
Hey, Misha. Yo, yo, yo. How's it going? How was Miami, my friend?
It was madness. It was amazing. It was invigorating, inspiring, and a huge learning experience, and some very, very interesting meetings of minds over there. We missed you there.
Yeah, next year I'll be there for sure.
For sure. We're also heading to Austin, Texas very soon, the Klever team, for Consensus 2022. So anyone wants to come to Austin and join us, you're more than welcome. Let's jump right into it. There's nothing to wait here. We have too much to talk about. We have too much going on. We have so much happening on the back end of things. The ecosystem is coming together, and the NFT platform, the exchange, and liquidity pools play a massive role in that. So let's talk first of Klever NFTs. New blockchains are being integrated. Which ones, and what's happening on that stage?
Yes, my pleasure. Ethereum NFTs are coming next Thursday. So we will launch with some collections, and we will be partnering with some other great creators. So you have still time. Just ping me on Twitter. You know where to find me if you want to partner with us. We are open to talk always. We will be releasing MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and next Thursday too. We have great news about Klever Wallet extension. So they are coming for NFTs in June, and the extension for wallet just comes on next month also. We are trying to integrate, and we are under testing for BSC NFTs. So it's great because we want to bring also the BSC community together with us. We released the send offer feature that is getting very popular in the community. I think it will be a great addition for Ethereum NFTs, as the user won't be paying fees for bidding. That's our difference from the others. So it's great. We also improved the filters search engine to create a better tool for collectors and to find the right NFT. That's something that I want to thank the community, because they helped us a lot, because the DevKings community helped us a lot to build a great filter and a great search engine for the NFTs. And yeah, we have a lot of news. We have also under development a K app inside the Klever NFT marketplace for Klever Chain. So this feature will enable you to create your own NFT collection inside Klever Chain. It's easy, fast, and furious. So I think you will like it. We are very excited to the launch of our blockchain. So I'm partnering with the Labs guys, and they are helping us to create something very special for creators. So it'll be easier to create new collections inside Klever Chain. So I'm very excited about this. DevKings collection is also getting hot with the game's launch. I like and helping the Moon Labs team and DevKings team. So it's great. Yeah, we have some news about some talks that we are getting with Dio, and I'm happy to share with you.
Amazing. So let's package that. We got the Ethereum collections are coming next Thursday together with Wallet Connect and MetaMask. After that, we got the Binance Smart Chain BSC collections coming into the marketplace as well. A bunch of new features. And of course, if you're an Ethereum NFT either creator or collector, or you're part of a community and you want your NFT collection to be listed on Klever Exchange and on Klever NFT Marketplace, reach out to Rieger, reach out to me, reach out to Dio or anyone else through our support. We'll get the connections going and make sure that it becomes a reality. But I want to pick your brain a little bit more on the cap, the Klever app that's going to run on Klever Chain for the NFTs. Tell us a little bit more about it. What makes you so excited about it?
Yeah, it's a K app that will be built inside the Klever Exchange, and actually it will be so easy to creators to create collections inside the Klever Chain. It's very, very low fees to create, because it's a great blockchain. It's under development, but I'm trying and I'm testing that, and it's great. It's very fast. We have I talked before about the royalty standard that we have inside it. So it's like a form. You build your collection. We will be able to also list inside our marketplace. We have your page of the collection, and the NFTs will be minted inside the Klever Chain. And you can set up a royalty. So the royalty is on-chain royalty standard. So that's I explained before, but it's just like an upgrade of the royalty standard that we are seeing on the market right now. I'm very excited because I'm seeing that there's so much talent outside, so much good projects, utility projects for NFTs that I'm seeing in the market, and I'm so happy to help these creators to find an easy place, an easy home for their creations. That's what's Klever NFT marketplace will be. And with the support of Klever Chain, I think it would be a massive, massive product, But it's so easy. You just create your account, just plug your collection, add your infos, your metadata, and start minting. You have your place to sell it with almost zero fees, and that's it. We want to help this industry and help to build this together,
100%. And it's so important that it should not only be easy, but also simple, cheap, and fast, right? So when we're talking about, you touched briefly on the royalty standards that come with the NFT creation. Can you talk a little bit more about that and why that is so beneficial for NFT creators?
Yeah, Riot Standard is a great feature and great addition because we have a lot of industries that benefits from this. And I said on previous lives that, but I'm seeing that the GameFi industry right now is so hot and so good right now in the moment. We have one amazing game that launched some days ago, and it's exploding. That is the DevKings. We have some other prospects under the scenes, and I think for game creators, the Riot Standard will be a great addition for the business model, because no matter where your NFT will be sold or will be traded, you have the standard on chain that will benefit the creators there. So there are so many industries like the real estate, or I don't know, the musician industry. We have the IP industry, brands who benefit from this, because right now we just have the standard, Riot Standard, that is off chain, and we need a centralized manner to control this. And if you change your NFT from one space to another, you won't be benefiting this anymore. And that's why Klever Chain is so attractive for creators, for me, besides the low fees, the speed of transaction, and all this stuff that we are building. So I think it's a great addition.
Yeah, it truly is. And the beauty of having it as a standard for everyone, not certain projects that have great developers that can build wonderful smart contracts, but everyone who has a vision, an idea, and enough backing and a good team behind them to build out that vision and that dream can build on top of Klever Chain. And that's why we're democratizing blockchain building that way. Let's talk a little bit more about marketplace of marketplaces for KleverNFT. What do you mean by that, and what will it mean for the ecosystem?
Yeah, this is something that I love talking with Dio. He's a mentor, leader, a brother, a friend, and like I have no words for him. And Dio always we want to think something different. I think that is one of the great prospect that we have at Klever. So we decided to create something unique. We'll launch the support for Ethereum next week, and later on we'll release a feature to send an offer to any NFT in the market. So that is, no matter if the NFT is under our custody or not, the user will be able to send an offer to one NFT that gets a pending until the NFT owner accepts and deposit and makes it like a trade. This is work like a NFT protocol to send offers with a zero cost for buyers, and an open API to create your request and receive market info. So, for example, it's under development. It came from talks with Dio. It is always some years ahead. So it's a great addition, because if you go to one marketplace today, you just bidding something else. There's some asset. You are spending a lot of gas fees, no matter if you are the owner, the winner of the bid or not. So this is, for me, it's a problem, and it's a friction on the market. So we decided to develop something different, and this is called marketplace of marketplaces. So, for example, I can send you an offer without spending any gas fee. I can just send to KleverNFT Marketplace, and it will be like a broker, something like a broker that will negotiate this kind of asset, There is so much under development. I can just you asked me to say it just a little bit about this, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. But there is a lot of under development inside here, our labs, and yeah, this is something that is very unique, and I think that this is this kind of new product. I didn't see anything on the market like this one, and I think that with the addition of Klever Chain, it will makes a lot of sense because we will have our own blockchain and it will help us to achieve new communities outside. So, for example, if you are building and developing a collection inside Ethereum or BSC, no matter where you are doing this, or Solana, we are creating like a hub, like an NFT protocol that you can use it and benefit from this. And also when you find out that there is a new blockchain coming that will help you create with some benefits and some new features, you figure out that Klever Chain is a good addition for your project,
Amazing. Yeah, the vision is often not years, it's decades on Dio and the Ninja. So it's exciting times. NFTs we've covered extensively. If you guys have any more questions about anything related to NFTs on Klever, or how to the creation process in the future will be on Klever Chain, drop them in the comment section and we'll get to them after. But let's jump into something that I'm sure a lot of people are tuning in for today, and that is, of course, the new listings on Klever Exchange. Go ahead. What's happening?
Yeah, we have IGG, Primo, Kuma, VRA. We have a lot of communities. I think that we are very excited about the listings that we have today. We opened the deposits yesterday, and we go live today for trading at 5 p.m. UTC. So 5 p.m. UTC, guys, we are ready for trading, and let's go.
That's right. We got IGG, we got Primo, we got Kuma, and Veracity VRA all going live on Klever Exchange today at 5 p.m. UTC. And we also have a joint competition together with IGG. It's 250,000 IGG. All you have to do is go to our Twitter, where you'll be able to like, retweet, comment, and follow both IGG and Klever_IO. And you can take part in this competition. Happy trading, everyone. Of course, IGG is a long-standing project working in the esports industry, and they're also launching 2 Klever tournaments on their own IG Galaxy platform. So check that out. Amazing. I hope that everybody is happy about these new listings. There's a lot more listings coming, and you can always, of course, request and talk to us about which coins and which tokens you guys want listed. But let's jump into a new fee structure that we're implementing. Talk a little bit more about it.
Yeah, we will announce next week a new model for exchange fees, something very good for makers. That will include a negative fee standard for takers. So, and also we will have a great discount for KOV holders if you are paying your fees in KOV. That will be nice for whales too. I know that they like it. So basically, the new maker fee will be negative 0.01% for all traders, for makers, and we will maintain the taker fee the same way we are usually right now. But if you are using KOV as part of the payment for the fees, you are getting a 25% discount. So that is we set it up with Dio and all the guys. We decided to jump in with this new model, and I think that will be benefit also the liquidity for the exchange and all the the community. I think that is a good news and a great announcement for traders.
Fantastic. Yeah, it truly is. Having a rebate and a negative rate, it's very attractive for makers. Let's talk a little bit more about features that are coming to the Klever Exchange. And in order to give you a little bit of room to explain that, we have a video that showcases these features. So let's roll the video and then you can jump in after.
Yes. This is the new drag and drop feature that we are releasing soon. Actually, is a new UI experience. So we have also a light mode, great light mode for one who likes it. I personally prefer the dark mode. I'm the dark mode guy, but I know that, yeah, I know that a lot of people like the light mode. So basically, we are just receiving a lot of proposals and a lot of ideas and suggestions about our trading screen. So what we decided to do is, why if we give the users the power to do it and create the view that he wants and he desires. So it's very easy. You can do your draggable screen. If you want to restore and get the layout from the default, you just plug and click on default, and we can reset. We can do wherever you want. We can do a draggable, and you can use it also the default. It's up to you. You can create it by yourself. And also, this is the light mode that we created. It's very beautiful. I know that some people like it. And yeah, that's great addition. I like it. We have also some other news and features coming that I can present right now. We have a new listings page. So what we want to do is to educate users and bring new ones to start trading and understand the market. So we are creating a new listings page that will show infos about tokens through separate categories. So Web3, NFTs, GameFi, Metaverse categories, tokens will be separate and will be explained to our community with educational videos, infos, and all this stuff, the great stuff that marketing, the clever marketing does. So it's a joint venture a product. We want to create something that will help us help the community and also new users to understand the market. We don't just want you to trade, but we want to educate you and understand this new Web3 era and also this GameFi, NFTs, Metaverse. So if you want to invest and want to trade NFTs, tokens, you'll be able to find it inside this new listings page. If you want to invest and discover new Metaverse projects, you can just do it also. This product will also include infos, articles, and the growth of the token since listing. So, and all other educational stuff. So it's under development. We expect to release soon. And I think that I'm very excited and happy to do it because a lot of people ask me about this market. What is GameFi? What is Metaverse? What is Web3, NFTs? And we want people to understand that people understand that, and not just invest to get the profit, but understand what is investing, what is the project, who is behind it. We want to create something educational content, and I know that the community like it.
Absolutely mind-blowing. I love the drag and drop. I personally don't, not a big fan of the light mode, as you are as well. Clearly a fan of the dark mode, but the pace at which you and your team put out upgrades is pretty mind-boggling. So Mazel tov, congrats on that. And very excited about the new educational features coming to the Klever Exchange, because as you know, and as everyone in our community knows, education is truly key, not just for mass adoption on a wider scale, but for user safety, user security, and to be able to thrive in this decentralized economy that we're building with visionaries around the world. So before we jump into liquidity pools, Web3 is a concept being thrown around a lot. What does Web3 truly mean to you?
For me, Web3 is just giving you the power and the ownership for anything you want to build in a decentralized way. I think the Web3 is just like an upgrade of the web that we used to know. And I think that the whole industry and market will be benefiting from this because it's very, very interesting what we can build with that. I think that we just have like less than 1% of the power of this right now. We still don't know what will be coming and what's coming right now next. And yeah, there is a lot of products and Web3 ideas and concepts being built right now. But I usually think that Web3 is utility, it has to be an utility project and also in a prospect of an utility idea, we just can't create something that we won't be benefiting or changing the way the Web 2 already is right now. So I think Web 3 is just like this. It's a new opportunity for creators to make something better, to decentralize the way the things are doing and give the power of the creator again, back the power of creator.
It's a noble mission we're on, and well put. It's truly on point. Let's do it. Liquidity pools. It's a topic. Yeah. Sorry, you want to say something before?
Yeah, I was almost forgetting about two things that people are asking me, and it's coming also for the exchange. We have buy crypto with credit card coming on the Klever Exchange, like you have on Klever Wallet. So you will be able to buy your crypto with credit card. So it's coming soon. Also, we are under testing and using already the API keys, and we have an exchange documentation for developers and both creators, traders. So we have this under the scenes already running. We have a big provider using our APIs directly already. I can't say the name yet, but it's a very good partner. And also there are others coming to use it, like data algorithm, trader algorithm companies that will be benefiting from this. And also all the exchange and also the swap, all the liquidity from our products will benefit from this. We will soon release the documentation for this great documentation for the users. So you will be able to create your bot and also create your whatever you want to create inside our exchange. You will be ready to do it.
Fantastic. Yeah, if you guys caught the Klever Live with David Ianakiara, the head of Klever Bots, he explained in great detail about the benefits of Klever Bots, how it works in the back end, and of course, how it will work once users can enable them on their end. So it's a very exciting feature that's coming to the platform. And it goes together very much with liquidity pools, which the community has been asking for. I don't even know how long now, but the calls are accelerating and growing in magnitude. So please do share with us all the news you have on the liquidity pools coming to Klever Exchange, Klever Swap, and of course, Klever Chain.
Great. I'm excited to say that we are be sharing today a link for you guys to sign up and be the first ones in the world to try it. Our pools very soon. So the first 500 signups will be able to try it, and before everyone will be our testing and will be helping us to build this feature. We want this is under testing behind the scenes already. We are using this with our team, some providers, but we are not ready to launch it for the market yet. But we will release for 500 guys to start helping us on the coming weeks. And the liquidity pool will work as a liquidity provider for, as you know, for the swap, exchange, and layer Klever chain. So it will be working like a reward system that once you provide your tokens and use our liquidity pool products, you'll be benefiting from APR from on the set pair. They provide liquidity for with rewards in KOV and in also the token. So there is a lot of key pairs that will be adding, and we'll be continuing adding new liquidity pool key pairs. And also the LP deal wants to create that liquidity pool product will be something that will help other projects and community projects like the ones that we are listing now. It will be like a product to benefit them also. So if you have a project and you want to build something on the blockchain, you want to create something inside the Klever chain, soon you'll be able to fill a form, start trying to partner and list with us. It will be some marketing packages with that, and also the liquidity pool will be part of this product, you know. So part of this listing product we offer for the communities, and also for apps that want to create something on sites or no matter what, where on the Web3 metaverse, if you have a game, for example, if you have a GameFi product and you want to create something with us, we will provide you an opportunity to sign up and choose a marketing package and also a liquidity pool package. So yeah, a lot of things coming. I think that my team and also the bots from the David that you said, this wonderful guy that is working on the bots, we are all be working together, and also it will be easy for you if you want to create a product and a K app, for example, on Klever chain, you'll be able to use the liquidity pools as a product too.
Incredible. Regarding APR and the different key pairs, how will it work for users once they, actually deposit their tokens or their coins into a liquidity pool? Can you tell us a little bit more on the kind of benefits for the users themselves?
Yeah, it's quite simple. I know that our users are very, they know the wallet for a long time, and we want to make it easy as possible to give the users the same experience that we have right now on the Klever wallet. So basically, you select the key pair that you want to provide the liquidity. If you need to have just one exchange account, one Klever ID, you just deposit the tokens or buy it inside the Klever exchange, and then you just add. You select from your balance. You add, for example, you want to provide liquidity for KOV USDT. You just need to have the balance inside KOV balance and inside your holdings, and also inside your USDT holdings. So you just select the amount you want to provide liquidity, and you'll be able to claim your rewards on a daily basis. So basically, it's like the staking that you do. You already know that very often. So you'll be able to provide your liquidity. You just deposit your tokens there. Will be a dynamically APR running behind it. You see the APR, and you can claim your rewards on a daily basis. So just like that, it's like magic. You just deposit. You benefit from our structure, from our liquidity pool. I know that a lot of people wants to do it, and I truly believe that this product, you benefit all the Klever ecosystem, the swap engine, the exchange, and all the products, and also the key apps that wants to create something amazing on the Klever chain will benefit from this. So I want to make the best experience as possible, because people just need to understand that pools are part of this ecosystem and has to be easy and simple. And that's why we want to create something very simple for our users.
Before we jump into the flurry of community questions that been sent to us prior to this live, you touched a little bit on Klever ID, and we've migrated over recently all accounts and all the infrastructure and the security architecture in terms of user accounts to our own system, Klever ID. Can you tell us a little bit more about Klever ID and how it functions inside of the vision for our ecosystem with future products as well?
Yeah, Clever ID is a major product that benefits our users to have just one account for all the products that we'll be launching. It's easy. We needed to make this major upgrade because right now we just use our own proprietary products. So we release it from third-party apps, so it's all inside our infrastructure. We have an amazing DevOps team and security guys. One of our core founders are one of the best that I know from this area, and this team is running a lot of things there to provide the security as most standard possible for our users. So and it's easier, that because you just can benefit from having just one account inside Clever, and you can use all the products. So I think Clever ID is very easy. So imagine once we start having a lot of K apps inside Clever Chain, you just have one account and you can start using that. So it's all connected, it's all cross integrated. So yeah, I think Clever ID is very simple, and we want to make it way better in the future.
Fantastic. We're jumping into the community questions, and there's loads of them. So get ready, Rieger. Number one, when will the wallet be connected to the exchange so it will be easier to buy NFTs on the marketplace?
Clever Wallet extension connect for NFTs in June. So I help the team. I'm seeing the development. It's getting amazing. I think Dio have shared a lot of images and spoilers about this product. And we will have a product, just a wallet function before on the next month. So just for wallet without the NFTs support. But I have the info that in June we will have the extension ready to NFTs.
Fantastic. Number two, will Klever liquidity pools be of the classic type or similar to other exchanges, or will Klever offer something more, something different?
Yeah, we will launch first with the one model, like the classic pools, and later on we will have some special sauces, some special secrets. The first one will be an easy one when you provide the coins and receive the rewards. Very simple. You benefit from the APR. You can claim like the stake is already doing the Klever wallet. This is the first one, but later we have some ideas, but it's just like brainstorming, and we will need to launch this one first.
So number three, previously there were going to be incentives for K5 for those who joined liquidity pools. Will this mechanism be implemented, and if so, how?
Yeah, there will be liquidity pools for key pairs. That's what I can say right now. But Dio is very creative, and probably something will come when Klever Chain is launched to incentivize projects and key apps inside Klever Chain. Because part of the listing process we include our ALP products. So I can't say anything right now, but I just want to say that the ALP, the liquidity pool, will be part of the listing process, because you'll be able to use our liquidity pool product for your listing. It will be a product for you too. It's different from the others. We will provide this, and you benefit this. Because we know that is how hard it is to build a product. I think Klever is an example of that. Is no VC company and built by community and by the investors, and that we are the investors of the company. We are the part of the company. So we want to make something that you benefit also from this.
Do you have any update on the Klever Exchange proposal to buy senior notes of the exchange, VC investments, for instance, realized in 2026?
Yeah, this is something that is still being discussed internally. I couldn't make myself in Miami because I had an urgent appointment here in Europe, unfortunately, and I missed this travel, missed this year. But one thing that I can say is that there is something behind the scenes being developed, and soon Dio will open his mouth. I can't say anything about that right now.
Indeed, yeah. There's not much that we can say in public yet, but like Rieger say, just stay tuned.
Yeah.
It will be out. Next question. When will the top 20 listings be on Klever Exchange?
Yeah, Dio gave us, for my team, a challenge to list one key pair per day, one pair per day. So we are changing all the process of listing and automating all the process because we want to make it a fluid way, an easier way. We have some job inside our team to make every listing. Once we get this done, we have almost 90% of this already done. It will be easier, and a lot of the new listings will come on a daily basis. So obviously the top 20 coins will come also. Some of those 20 coins, top 20, depends on new blockchain. BSC will be integrated next week. Probably we'll be launching new key pairs from BSC. So and there are other blockchains coming. But once we finish all this process, you guys will be seeing a lot of listings. Also, like I said, we have just a challenge to make one per day. That's our challenge. So
challenge accepted, right? When will future contracts be available on Klever Exchange?
yeah, you know that to enable futures, we need to pass and to finish some bureaucracy first. There are some steps that we need to finish before going and jumping it. We are right now doing the LPs, and also we have other stuffs doing. Yes, I'm a big fan of futures. I think that I want to implement this as a great milestone that I have for myself to do it on Klever, and it will be one exchange one time. But right now we just need to figure out some other issues and some other things before going and jumping in on futures. Probably next semester, by the end of this year, or yeah, we will have futures on time, but I don't have the exact timeline to show you guys today.
Great. And the last question by the community: when are we going to have trading bots in the exchange? Someone says that they're getting tired of looking at buy and sell walls all day.
Yeah, we have this under the scenes already running. So we have also a big provider using us already, and also we have other guys that are from this industry, that from trading algorithm companies ready to use it also. We will soon release this with a great documentation, so it will be easier. I'm also seeing other stuffs like integrations of other products. I'm trying to figure out how to do it because I know that a lot of traders already are using some other products. So I'm trying to connect them with Klever Exchange. Yeah, yes, I agree, and I think that once you trade without emotions is easier, and the bots are for this, you know. So I think that in the coming weeks we will release for the users. So we have already been under the scenes.
Fantastic. I mean, that is a lot to unpack and to take in. I also have a question. You've been on this show numerous times. It was a few months ago last time, and we talk a lot about NFTs and NFT utility. And I know that you are a massive consumer of content and understanding of the NFT landscape. What do you see out there right now? What makes you the most excited about the development of the NFT industry, and how do we, Klever, tap into that?
I'm seeing a very good perspective right now because I'm looking and jumping and discovering that people are on the we are just very earlier, but I think people are trying and understanding a little bit about the utility of the NFT that I'm always saying that great minds in the market are always saying, because we have the hype from the celebrities, all this stuff, but almost all the collections that started as a hype right now are finding some utility for this. I'm seeing great collections that is jumping inside this GameFi thing. I'm seeing that great collections are creating utility for the assets. If you are a holder, you can go inside a great event. You can benefit from some products. You can have access to limited content. I'm seeing the music industry getting very hyped about this and trying to bring back the power of creator for the musician, not only the stream provider. So I think that the industry and the market are going on the right direction. And sometimes there's always some bad actors trying to use this hype and use this great technology to benefit and make bad products. But I'm a positive guy, you know. I'm just thinking that we are living in a great era. I'm just happy to be part of this and jump in this in so early. So, and I'm very optimistic about this. I think that the market is going on the right direction. That is utility NFTs. I'm so hyped about the GameFi industry. I'm just very in love about this because we are giving power to the players. Players are a great are part of this ecosystem and never been so in the main area of this. You know, I think the players are benefiting a lot about the Web3 and the utilities NFTs, and I'm very excited to see what's coming next.
And with that, I want to say thank you, Rieger, for yet another stellar show. Thank you for sharing everything that you are building with your team, that you're building together with all the squads in Klever, cooperating with us on a daily basis to make the ecosystem be the best out there. So thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
And thank you, guys, everyone who tuned in either live or after the fact. And until next time, if you can be anything in this world, be the best version of yourself.
In our journey to become a layer 1 blockchain, Klever must ensure the security of the Klever blockchain network. As a proof-of-stake blockchain, the network becomes safer and more reliable for all users by securing a large amount of KLV in staking contracts, and after mainnet launch, in delegation of KLV to validators. Meanwhile, it's important to note that the unstaking of KLV from the previous staking contracts is an essential part of the migration process to the Klever blockchain mainnet. The migration to Klever mainnet will include a 100% APR for staked KLV in a new staking contract, which will run for 3 months from April 25th until July 26th, and reward users for the period they have staked KLV. This new contract freezes the staked KLV until July 26th, and then allows the user to withdraw both the total staked KLV and the rewards received to a newly generated Klever blockchain mainnet address, which will be available in the Klever wallet. The unstaking period of KLV from the old staking contract will be 1 hour up until April 24th. After April 24th, the old KLV staking contracts will be paused, removing the possibility to withdraw and stake, and no more rewards will be paid out on the old contracts. So please make sure to unstake and withdraw your KLV before April 24th. If you were unable to unstake your KLV before April 24th, you will need to submit a support ticket and the Klever Foundation will reimburse you after 30 days. Thank you for being part of our journey to build out the public service infrastructure for financial tools available to everyone around the globe. It truly means the world to us to have your support. Here's to a Klever future where blockchain building becomes simpler, cheaper, and faster for all projects.